Ahmedabad is the only city along the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor to feature not one, but two bullet train stations, Ahmedabad and Sabarmati. These stations are set to redefine the way we travel, providing faster and more efficient connectivity. Meanwhile, construction continues at the station's entry building, moving the project closer to completion. At the Ahmedabad Bullet train station, significant progress is being made. The concourse level, rail level, and platform level slabs have been fully cast, reflecting the steady efforts of the teams working to bring this project to life. Designed for seamless integration, Ahmedabad station provides easy access to other modes of transport. Once completed, passengers can directly connect to the Western Railway station and the nearby metro station, ensuring smooth transitions for all commuters. Ahmedabad station is more than just a stop, it's a gateway to the future of travel, where innovation meets integration. But this is just the beginning of the story. Join us as we uncover Sabarmati station's journey and its role in transforming connectivity in Part 2.